Hello, hey, Steve Bedell with Gilboa Realty, coming to you today from the Villages, Florida. Hope you're having a great day, and I'm here to show you something really special today. Well, right now I'm shooting this on October 22nd, 2025, and I just recently listed this really special patio villa, and I want to tell you all about it. Okay, all right. So here's what we got here. Patio Villa, if you were around the villages, they're a little over 1,200 square feet. They're two tubes, and they have a little picket fence out front. That's how you can see a patio villa. And they're really popular properties. They're popular for people who don't need a big house. They're popular for people who come down in the winter and live here 6 months of the year. Landlords use them for rentals because a lot of people come down and rent properties so they can have fun and enjoy all the amenities in the villages. But in any case, this one will fit just right for anybody, and it's especially good for someone who is looking for a place that has no maintenance. It has everything done to it. It's had lots of upgrades. It's a really special property. So let's do this. I'm going to just kind of tell you about it, and then I'm going to scroll through some of the photos because if I don't, I'm going to forget if I don't look at the text here. All right, here's what we got here. It's in Sunset Point, which is right in the center between the sixes, very close to Lake Sumter Landing. Absolutely fabulous location, and it's got no bond. And not only that, it's got no bond, and the yearly maintenance fee on it is $225. So try to find a better price than that any place. I don't know if you're going to. It's in Hickory Grove Villas, Sunset Point, and you go to Lake Sumter, like I said. Now, it's right next to, if you're familiar with the layout in the villages, it's if you go out the backyard and there's no neighbors in back of you, there's nothing but grass, bushes until you get to a street and you walk across that street and you're right at the Cane Garden Country Club. And so it's a really, really great location because most patio villas, you're looking out, when you look out your back window, you're looking right into your neighbor's place. So, really special location. Let me just go through some of the stuff it's got for you here. It's got a 2025 new HVAC unit, a 220 roof, a tankless hot water heater in 2025, epoxy garage floor. Also in 2025, we got Nova water filtration system, and I know the washer, the dryer, and the stainless refrigerator are all 2025 too. So you see what I'm talking about here. You're going to get a house with lots of upgrades and lots of things taken care of. The flooring is LVP throughout the house. There is no carpet at all. Granite counters in not just the kitchen, but both of the bathroom also. There's even a matching granite backsplash in the kitchen. You got three solar tubes, one in the kitchen, one in each bath to really brighten up the place so you don't have to walk into a dark room and start looking around for lights. And let's see, you got a patio villa, yeah, a brand new washer, dryer, refrigerator. Now the front patio floor is tile, but then when you go out in the front yard, the driveway, all of that kind of stuff, you've got, let me see, a painted and textured driveway, and the whole side of the house is really special. The owners have done a great job. They created a nice little oasis there. They even, I'm going to show you a photo here because you're going to love it. Because at nighttime they even put some lights in there and made something really special. So okay, enough of me talking. Let's take a look at what we got here. Okay. All right. Here's the patio villa. Can I make it bigger? No, I can't. Okay. Yeah, it's real. There's a tree here. Really hard to get light on the front of the building over in this direction. But anyway, patio villa, and let's go. Here's the front of it here. There's the patio out in the front. Here's the side yard. There's the picket fence. You can tell. Now look at all this. This is all stone, no grass whatsoever. The only grass is out here in the back, and you see the bush there. There's a street there. You walk across that street, and you're right in the parking lot at the Cane Garden Country Club. So absolutely fabulous. Look at that. Nobody in back of you. Look. You think most patio villas have a backyard that looks like this? No, not a chance. This is out in the front in the patio. The floor you can see it's all tile flooring out in the front. Okay, so and this is the side of the building once again. Okay, there you go. Did a really nice job. Look at this. Huh? Is that spectacular or what? The owner actually went outside and just popped this photo for me because he set up all these lights. So you see the lights in his yard, and then you got these lights in the background over here. That's over at Cane Garden. So really nice, really spectacular. There's the front of the house again. You can see all the LVP flooring everywhere. Updated fixtures like this. Okay. This is the. Wait till you see what they did in the bathroom. This is the entrance. And look at this. Have you ever seen a patio villa with a nicer bathroom like this? A master bath, all been redone. Really nice, easy to take care of. Looks great. And here is the. Yep. Here's another view here. And this is looking out towards the living room. And yep. Oh, all this stuff in the front, I didn't even mention. You see this on this counter here? This is textured. This is a what they call a rough granite finish. And this granite here matches. They use that same granite as a backsplash. So all of this stuff here in the front room too is included. So it's partially furnished. So if you're looking for this as a place to come for the winter, and this is really nice quality leather furniture here. These two pieces I know right off. And the unit, the TV, all of this stuff comes with it. There you go. That's looking from the hallway out towards the front door. There you go. There's a good picture of what you're looking at right there. And again, from the front door. And all of this, the nice little dining room set here included. All this stuff over here. Okay. Yep, another view. And there you go, looking out to the side. There's that rough granite that I was talking about. There's that brand new refrigerator right over there. There's the front gas stove, notice. The fridge, and I hope I got over here, did I? This is from another view. Yeah, brand new washer and dryer right there. I'm telling you, look at this, the epoxy flooring, absolutely gorgeous. And this is the new water filtration system. This is an insulated garage door. Got the little mats. I don't know if they're staying or not. I'll have to check with them, but they're really nice. And look at this. You even have this screen. You punch a button, and down comes the screen. Some people have screens, but usually got to slide them back and forth, and they're getting away. Not here. You just push a button just like the garage door. Up and down they go. This is the patio out front. Nice fixtures. Tile flooring. Another view, a drone view. And here we go. See, this is the house. This is, let me get up a little taller here, a little higher. See this? There's a golf course out in the back there. That's all at Cane Garden. Parking lot here. I mean, this is just a fabulous house and a great location. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions about this house or any other property in the villages, just get in touch with me, 603-767-7467. I'd be glad to help you out with any of it. But I hope you like this property. It's just on the market. It's really well priced. I believe it's going to go real quickly. So get in touch with me. I'll show you this. Okay. All righty. That's it for today. Thanks now. Until next time. Bye.